HP SitePrint. HP has developed a robot named SitePrint, designed to swiftly and precisely transfer digital layouts onto floors, performing this task 10 times faster than a human can. This robot is versatile, capable of working on different surfaces and navigating obstacles up to 20 mm high. Additionally, it can be remotely controlled using cloud technology, offering significant benefits to construction projects globally. SitePrint's efficiency and adaptability make it a valuable asset in streamlining construction processes and improving project outcomes. Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro isn't just a camera. It's a revolutionary step into a new era of computing that effortlessly blends the digital and physical worlds. Featuring intuitive controls through eye, hand, and voice commands, you can interact with apps, entertainment, and beyond in unprecedented ways. Its micro OLED display, eye-tracking technology, and spatial audio capabilities redefine the user experience, offering immersion like never before. Powered by Vision OS, the Apple Vision Pro sets a new standard in innovative technology and retails for $2,999. Explore the future of computing with the Apple Vision Pro and discover a world where technology seamlessly integrates into everyday life. Nordic Pocket Saw. The Nordic Pocket Saw is your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. This compact and lightweight hand-powered chainsaw is tailor-made for the wild. Crafted with a heat-treated high-carbon steel chain boasting 33 bidirectional teeth, it slices through wood, branches, and small trees with lightning speed and efficiency. Whether you opt for the premium or full version, you're equipped for any cutting challenge that nature throws your way. Need longer reach or superior portability? No problem. The Nordic Pocket Saw delivers the power you need in a convenient, pocket-sized package. Gear up with this essential tool and conquer the great outdoors with ease. UGOT Robotic Kit. Dive into the world of robotics and AI with the UGOT Robotic Kit. It's an exciting way to learn, allowing you to create more than 7 different robots, each with its own unique traits and quirks. You can control them using voice commands, chat with GPT technology, and program them using a user-friendly GUI or Python for the more tech-savvy. UGOT isn't just a robot. It's a smart buddy that grows with you, unlocking limitless possibilities for creativity and enjoyment. Get your hands on it now for just $129.99, but hurry! This special offer won't last forever.